Good morning. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and there is no economic data that I anticipate to move the market. There's a couple of FOMC speakers at a little after 8 o'clock before the market opens, and I don't see anything else that should impact things. As we know, the government is shut down right now, so there is no economic data that's being reported. The only thing that you pay attention to is if somebody speaks that could move the market. Anyways, let's get into broader markets right now. ES, you can see it's still respecting the 67.45.50 level here yesterday, so I still have that as a resistance level right now. So if we can get a little pop above the 67.45 and hold, I'd like us to move into the 67.56 level. Then if we can get above these levels right here, and including yesterday's high, I'd like us to move into the 68.20 level. Not sure if that's going to happen in one day. However, something to note, there's usually on Thursdays, there's usually some pretty good volume that comes into the markets. Not always. So you have to pay attention to whenever you see some price action starting to pick up. It seems to follow through in the direction once about after the first 15-20 minutes of the market open, it finds its direction, and then it keeps going like a steamroller. As far as the NASDAQ is concerned, NASDAQ pretty similar right now. However, you can see this resistance level that I had here at 25,027 and a quarter was September 22nd high, and it seems to be respecting that right now. So what will happen is, even though I have this as a resistance level right now, you could see how the market popped up here in pre-market and then pulled back down. And then yesterday, it tried to hold it, and then you could see it lost it, and then came back up in post-market, and then came back down to September 19th's high. It seems to be respecting that level. That's a pretty good level right there. And now we are above September 22nd's high of 25,027 and a quarter. I'd like us to move into this 25,175 level. If we can get a little nice push above this, I'd like us to see us move into this Friday's high of 25,388. On the downside, if we lose this 25,027 and a quarter level, we pull back down to this first level, 24,888. Of course, if we lose that level, we come on back down here to Tuesday's low, September 23rd, Tuesday's low at 24,780 and a half. That's pretty much it for broader markets. Let's get into Tesla. Tesla here, it's really battling this 435.35 level. I said yesterday, if we can get above that and hold above that, then we can push into this 439.74 level, which was July 17th's high. You could see we came right up to that level, just popped through it just a little bit, and the market rejected it, pulled all the way back down to September 17th FOMC high. Powell was speaking, and it supported that as well. So right now I'm still leaving this rectangle bar here as red as a resistance level until it can prove to me that we are going to hold above this. And then if we do hold above this, I will change this red color to a green level. Right now, this 439.74 is proving me that it's a real strong level. You can see how we came here on October 7th, popped down that level, just dip below it, probably hitting the stops. And then we regained that level and popped higher. And then towards the end of the day, we lost it. And then you could see on October 8th, it popped up to that level, rejected it, came on down. Again, up at this level here on Friday, rejected it, came back on Monday, was playing around up here, and then ultimately rejected in post-market. And then on Tuesday, I believe, same thing, came back up here. You see all these rejections up here, rejections, but now yesterday we tried to get above it, could not hold it, came back down, rejected it. And here we are again at this level here. This is a consolidation period that's happening right now with Tesla. So we're looking for a breakout. And so the breakout is still, to me, for the longs, above this 452.75 level. And then we can move into this post-market high on October 6th, 456.49. If we get above that, we move into this 462.29 level. Then if we can get above, I would say if we can get above this 466 level, then we can quickly move into the 474.40 to 482.45 level. Again, if we lose this level down here, you can see how it's respecting at these wicks, even though it's pre-market right now. You can see all the selling and buying coming in here, and then big buying coming right in here, especially in the close yesterday. You could see there was close to 2.4 million shares traded on the close yesterday, showing some pretty good buying from pretty much lunchtime all the way through the end of the day. You could see all the sellers, all these wicks right here, they were getting bought up. So that was showing me some pretty good buying yesterday. As long as the market holds up and there's no tweet that could impact the market in a negative way. So let's just see where we are. Let's look at the point of control levels. We have a real nice point of control level right up in here at 447.96. I'll clean this up for you so you can see it more clearly. So I do like that level to get in there. And if we can get up into that level, I would anticipate to have a little reaction there on the downside. And again, if we can get through this and hold above the 452.75, then and prove to me that this level is now, instead of a resistance, is going to become a support. I'd like us to then move higher there. But until then, you have to really respect the levels right now with Tesla. And just don't get caught up in, like yesterday's opening. Yesterday's opening was, let's just show you on a 2-minute. Yesterday's opening, maybe in 1 minute shows a little better. Yeah, so the first minute yesterday, you could see big volume came in here, and it just trapped all the longs up here, and then it just got smashed. So you have to be careful, let the market find its way, and then you'll be able to make some better judgments. You don't necessarily have to be clicking the mouse right when the market opens. Let's get into yesterday's 5-minute opening trade. 5-minute opening trade yesterday, we had a wide range, and what I'm finding is that when you have a wide range, so close to a little more than a $7 range, kind of makes it difficult to find that opening, 5-minute opening range break trade out, break of range. It usually takes a little while for it to develop. So you can see it tried pushing up here on the high side. So the high on the opening range was 438.81. We did pop up it a little bit, maybe got a couple dollars out of it. But there was no follow through on that too. And not until the end of the day. On the low side, it was 431.85. You could see we broke through it right around lunchtime. And then you could have gotten about $5 out of it, 431.85. Let's just take it to this candle right here, which was 427. So $4 there. If you really wrote it out, then you could have gotten about $5 there. So today, same thing. Wait for the trade to set up for you. It will set up. May not give you a great move, but understand right now with Tesla, we are in a little consolidation period right here. So this, even though it's a wide range, call it like 414 down here up to 440. So you've got a pretty decent range, $25 range, but believe it or not, that's a consolidation for Tesla because Tesla can really get going. So, and again, it's Thursday right now, so I'm always prepared for Tesla to really take off and really find a direction and go that direction on a Thursday. Let's see what else we have here. So today I'm going to have the 440 calls that expire tomorrow up there, and then the 425 puts that expire tomorrow. So you can see right now the puts closed at $3.10 for the premium. The calls closed at $4.85 on the calls. And right now we are hovering right at yesterday's close. So I expect these premiums to open up right around here. Maybe they're going to be a little cheaper right now because we're 1 day closer to expiration. So that is what I'm going to have on there for today for my calls and puts. That is it for today. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord as we're trying to build the community. And of course, leave any comments below if there's things that you like, dislike, or other things that you would like me to cover. Have a great trading day, and I will be back tomorrow morning.